Hello, friends. Welcome everyone to this session. I am really happy that you could join me today to prepare for your insurance agent exam. Before we start, I have a small request. Please be patient and listen very carefully. I promise you one thing, if you follow these slides and pay attention, you will definitely pass your exam with great marks. My goal today is not to confuse you with heavy or difficult theories. Instead, we are going to talk about real life, everyday things that actually happen in the insurance business. We will focus only on the most important points you need to know to clear the exam and start your new career with full confidence. Some very easy topics that you can understand on your own will be skipped for now. Don't worry. We will cover those during our mock test practice in the next session. So, without wasting any more time, let's go to my computer screen. Please, my friend, put the presentation on the projector so everyone can see. Let's start.